Come here. Oh, really? What are you thinking? Do you want to go outside and see your dad for a second? Okay.